This plant that I'm holding right here is yarrow, and this plant that I'm holding right here is a carrot. And both plants are one of the many plants you can find not only growing in gardens, but also naturalized in many parts of the US as well. But how do you distinguish the two? And also, what are some of the use that you can get from yarrow? Now, yarrow has what we consider a corm flower structure. So if you were to look at these little flower tops, you can see that each stem to each flower is alternating along the stem, and it kind of grows into this little cluster like this. Versus if we were to look at the flower structure of wild carrot or some of our other carrot family plants, these are what we call an umbel structure. So if you look at the flower, it kind of looks like an upside down umbrella. Looking at yarrow and carrot side by side, the leaves, you can see that yarrow kind of grows more fern-like, and the leaves are much closer together and joined directly at the stem. Whereas if you were to look at wild carrot, it's going to grow a lot farther apart and kind of has a parsley-like look to the leaves. If you were to smell yarrow, it's going to have a sagey-like smell to it, which can vary between species. And if you were to sniff carrot, it's going to smell like carrot. Be mindful of picking carrot because of the phototoxins that may be present in some of the carrot family plants that you find. The Latin name Achillea is derived from Achilles, which during the Trojan Wars, he would use yarrow to help staunch wounds during battle, if you will. Some people may also be familiar with nosebleed, which is another common name for yarrow, which historically was used to help treat nosebleeds as well. At the end of the day, always remember to do your identification first and your foraging second, and happy foraging.